What is the average value of a wrongful death case in Florida? Before I get into answering that question, let me just make it very clear that every single case is unique. Every case has different facts, and the value of every case is completely unique to that case. The factors that go into determining the wrongful death case are many. There are so many factors. Some of the main factors are how clear is the liability? How strong is the evidence of negligence against the wrongdoer, the person that caused the wrongful death? How many rules did that person violate that were intended to protect people from injuries and death? Another very important factor is the relationship between the decedent, the person who died, and the survivor who is bringing the wrongful death claim. Another factor is how much money the decedent was making. All sorts of factors that really go into the valuation of the wrongful death case. So it's very important that you understand that you can't tell the value of your case by looking at the average of other cases. However, it is helpful to look at the average of other cases to just see what kind of ballpark that other cases have resolved that have involved wrongful death. So what we did was we took a random sample of 100 cases where the verdicts and the settlements were reported in Jury Verdict Reporter, and we added up those random 100 wrongful death cases, added up all the case values, and then we divided it by 100. And so what we found is statewide, the average wrongful death case settles or resolves for about $1.924 million. That is the average wrongful death case from this random sample of 100 wrongful death cases in Florida. Now, it's also interesting to note that the venue or the county in which the wrongful death claim is brought is also an important factor in determining the value of the case. For example, out of that 100 cases that we evaluated, 60 some of them were in Orlando, and it turns out that the average wrongful death case in Orlando, it resolves for $2.2 million on average. Just that's a rough number. $2.2 million, which is significantly higher than the $1.924 million. Now, I do want to mention that there are wrongful death cases that have resolved for more than $100 million. So it's not out of the realm of possibility that your wrongful death case is worth more than $100 million. There's in our random sample of 100, there was a $30 million wrongful death case. So as I said, there's so many factors involved in the wrongful death case evaluation that it's incredibly important to talk to an experienced wrongful death attorney, somebody who knows wrongful death cases, who has tried wrongful death cases, who has settled many wrongful death cases, and then has also done an evaluation of other wrongful death cases throughout the state to determine how to properly value these cases. So I am available for consultation. My name is Jimmy Fasig. I am a wrongful death attorney. My number is 850-777-7777. That's 850-777-7777. Give me a call if you want to talk about the value of your case. Thank you.